sides. God, this is pathetic. What you doing, puppies? Lay down.
Jack going fishing.
Does he look a little concerned? Where you going, puppies? Are you laying down?
No, he's sitting. He's doing real well. Hey, take him out a little bit further. Go make a circle.
No sudden movement.
No, he's rock solid.
More solid than when we're in it. That is absolutely priceless.